In a recent interview with Xinhua, Muhammad Saqib, Secretary General of India-China Economic and Cultural Council, said China has been a changemaker in many fields including poverty alleviation and combating climate change, which makes the country a business model for developing countries.
Regarding the food security, of COVID-19 response, or vaccine development, financing, climate change, green development, industrialization, digital economy and digital inclusion. China has already been doing these things, has already taken initiative on these programs bilaterally. So China already knows that these are all practical things which can happen. China has already been taking number of initiatives on poverty alleviation. First, within the country, it has brought out 800 million people out of poverty within China. And then those experiences has been replicated with other developing countries who are poor through financial aid, training, exchanges, social initiatives and all. On the climate change, the green initiative, which is very, very important. China is really champion of green initiative. They have been doing with new initiative with so many countries. For example, on solar power, they are the champions. On wind power, they are the champions. They are sharing technology, they are sharing their experiences, and they are actually implementing it and making it a business model for the developing countries. So this is another initiative. So there are so many things which China has already been doing.